How to do proportional division in 106 seconds. Let's go. Whenever we have a question which involves proportional division, guys, the key is going to be to firstly work out the size of one part and then use that to work out the size of however many parts we actually want to work out. Let me show you what I mean. This question tells us that Tom, Bill, and Fred share 1,080 pounds, lucky Tom, Bill, and Fred, in the ratio 4:5:3, and then we're asked how much each of them have. Step number one, we're going to work out the size of one part of our ratio, then we're going to use that to find the size of 4 parts, 5 parts, and 3 parts respectively. So how are we going to do that? Well, first off, how many parts in our ratio do we have in total? Well, we're going to have 4 parts for Tom, plus 5 parts for Bill, plus 3 parts for Fred. 4 plus 5 plus 3 is going to be 12. Now, how are we going to find out the size of one part? Well, in total, we have 1,080 pounds. That's split between 12 parts, so we can do 1,080 pounds divided by 12, that's going to give us 90. So we know that one part of our ratio is worth 90 pounds, but we don't want one part, do we? For Tom, how many parts do we want? For Tom, we want 4 parts because Tom's got 4 parts in our ratio. So we're going to do 4 times by 90 pounds to work out Tom's share, and that's going to be 360 pounds. What about Bill's share? Well, we're told in the question that Bill has 5 parts, so we're going to do 5 times by 90 pounds. 5 times by 90, that's going to be 450. And finally, Fred, the lucky man, he's going to have 3 parts. 3 times by 90, that is going to give us 270 pounds. And if we're right, guys, all of these numbers are going to have to add to give 1,080. We can check that now. Do they? Yes, they do. So, guys, we know that our answer is correct. Tom has 360 pounds. Bill is going to have 450 pounds. And Fred is going to have 270.